Okay, today we're going to learn how to write a plain language summary and share your publication using growkudos.com. So navigate to the website and click the sign in button. Once you've signed in, you'll see the Kudos hub. Click add publication, enter your publication's DOI in the left-hand box and click find my publication. Check that is the publication that you want to claim, then hit yes, this is my publication, and claim it. You and your co-authors can now edit your plain language summary. This includes a plain language title, what it is about, and why it is important. Here's an example of a plain language summary. Now each author can add their own unique personal perspective down further on the page. Once we've done that, we can now add a featured image for the plain language summary. Type in the keywords that you want, cycle through the images until you've found the one that you want to choose. The plain language summary is not live until either you or your colleagues shares it. To share, generate a link specific to the audience you're targeting. For example, email to colleagues. Click Generate Link, then copy this link into an email to your colleagues. Those clicking on the link will be directed to what we see here under the Reader view. They can click on Read Publication to be directed to the journal site. To make any changes, go back to the Author view. Remember that all authors can edit the plain language summary as it is live. If you wish to add a plain language summary to other publications, click on Menu, Kudos Hub, and you can start the process over again.